find the hole?
Truly a savage demonstration of nature.
Look, I'm being watched. I know I'm being watched.
Poor tarantula.
Oh, he's crawling up inside of him.
Crawling backwards.
So
Yeah.
he's...
So he like gets inside of it and holds on to it. That's crazy.
He's like, he has to come over this rock. Wow, dude is pulling.
That's incredible. That's a cool video.
Oh, he's under that rock. I think he lives under that rock. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
Look, he's taking him under the rock.
We'll drag him in there. That's a huge spider. That's a giant spider.
I know what they're crawling in my bed.
Here he is. He's back out. So he is gonna grab this tarantula.
You can pull it in there.
Look at him. I mean, this is crazy, yo. Never seen it. I mean, he's taking a break, or maybe he's contemplating. He's like, man, this sucks.
Maybe I can just push him in there.
He's like, man, he's just cleaning it off here.
Get off a little more.
I mean, he's sizing it up. There. I mean,
Definitely a thoughtful process.
I'm telling you, dude, this is definitely gym day. I mean, this is leg day for sure.
He's gonna take a nap for a couple of days, I bet, after this.
Let's see. I mean,
Probably a she.
oh, is it a female that does it?
Probably. 'Cause she lays her
Man,
eggs in it.
women are stronger than men for sure, by far. I mean, they have babies. Bailey just had a baby.
In nature,
I mean, I couldn't have a
that's
baby.
usually the case.
Look, there he goes.
There he
Boom.
goes. There he goes.
Is he gonna, dude?
gonna
He's
do it.
taking it. He's taking it.
Pulling it.
Oh, there he
He's
goes.
struggle busting, but he's getting it.
He's in there, man. He's getting it. He's like, all right, halfway in there.